In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paste code in Draw.io. First, open your file in the editor so you're working on the diagram where you want the code to appear. Once the file is open, there are a few simple ways to add code, depending on whether you just want to display it as text or turn code into something more visual. The first option is to paste your code as a text block. To do that, double-click anywhere on the canvas, then make sure the text cursor is active. From there, paste your code using Ctrl+V. This is the quickest method if you simply want your code to appear on the page as editable text. After pasting, you can resize the text box so the code is easier to read, and you can drag it anywhere on the canvas to place it where it makes the most sense in your diagram. If you want to adjust how the text looks, such as alignment, font settings, or spacing, check the Format panel on the right side. If needed, switch to the Text tab to access more editing options. Another method is to create a code block using a shape. This is useful if you want the code to feel more contained and visually separated from the rest of your diagram. Start by inserting a rectangle shape from the left panel. Once the rectangle is on the canvas, paste your code inside it. After that, resize the shape so it fits the code comfortably, especially if you're working with multiple lines. You can also drag the shape to reposition it wherever you need. If the text needs styling changes, use the panel on the right to format it and make it more readable. If your goal is to generate diagrams from code rather than just display the code itself, Draw.io also gives you built-in options for that. Go to the top menu bar and click Arrange. From there, hover over Insert and select Mermaid, or hover over Advanced to access options like Text, PlantUML, SQL, or CSV. In this example, you would choose Mermaid. A pop-up window will appear, and that's where you paste your Mermaid code. Once the code is in place, click Insert, and Draw.io will generate the diagram for you. This is a great option when you want structured diagram elements created automatically from code instead of placing everything manually. And that's it. Those are the main ways to paste code in Draw.io, whether you want a simple text block, a styled code container, or a generated diagram from code.